Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I am freezing right now, so that's why I'm wearing a jumper. It is so cold in England right now because it's snowing. I'm not made for this weather. But anyway, today I'm going to be doing a very exciting video. I'm going to be comparing Tarte Shape Tape and the new Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. So I've seen quite a few people doing this and I thought, why not jump on the bandwagon? I've got both of them, so let's see how they look on my skin. The only issue is I have the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade medium, which is way too light for me, but I have the Makeup Revolution Concealer in the shade C12, which is like the same shade as my foundation, so I didn't really do really well. So fingers crossed that this works and I can then mix the two because the formulas I'm guessing are quite similar. They claim to do similar things, so hopefully I can mix the two together and get my perfect shade. So as for the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, the website claims that this concealer is full coverage, vegan and blendable. It instantly brightens, smooths and shapes the skin, and it leaves a flawless matte finish. It won't flake or crease, and you don't need setting powder. I'm the sort of person that loves to set my concealer because I do have like creases in my eyes, so if I don't set it, that's the end. Do you know what I mean? So I will be setting it today, and that's what I normally do when I use it. I mean, I've never tried it where I haven't set it, so I probably should, but I'm gonna set it today. And the Makeup Revolution Concealer claims to be lightweight yet full coverage, same as the Shape Tape. It has a matte finish, it won't settle or accentuate fine lines or pores. It's long wearing with an intense pigment, and if you want added staying powder, you can use a setting powder. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape on the left side of my face and the Makeup Revolution Concealer on the right side of my face. So let's see how these two work. Okay, so we're going to start with the oh, I forgot to say, I'm going to be blending these in with a beauty blender on both sides to get the same results and to give it a fair chance. Can't use a brush on one side and a beauty blender on the other, it's not fair. So I'm going to use my beauty blender. It's very dirty. Sorry. So we're just going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade medium on my left side. I don't like to use a lot of this because a little goes a long way. So I'm just going to do that first because it does dry quite quickly. And I'm just going to bring it on my lids as well, just the excess. And then I'm going to powder that just so it's done before it creases and it looks awful. I'm going to use my Coty Airspun powder. I still haven't got around to getting my Laura Mercier, so I'm struggling. I'm just going to leave that to bake while I do the other side. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Concealer in the shade C12 on my right side. Oh, okay. Do you see what I mean? Like, it is kind of the same shade, so hopefully it doesn't look weird. Oh, I like this. It blends really easily. Seamless. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, and also I forgot to mention that the Tarte Shape Tape is actually £19. Well, it's around £19–20, and the Makeup Revolution Concealer is only £4. So if this works, then that's my new go-to because I can't be affording £19 plus VAT, shipping and taxes and import duties when it arrives. Okay, so we have now put both of the concealers on either side, so I'm just going to wipe away the bake and see what it looks like. So I'm just going to actually finish my face while I'm here, and I'm going to be using the Nicole Guerriero. I still don't know how to say her name and I feel like I'm butchering it every time I say it. But I'm going to be using this glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones. I'm probably going to use Glow Getter which is this shade, this middle shade here at the bottom. I wish the glow kits had a mirror in. It's so frustrating like picking this up and then being like, oh, let me find another mirror, do you know what I mean? Oh, come on, Anastasia. You guys, I think this is actually one of the quickest videos I've ever filmed. Ever. So here is the finished look. It's not really a look, it's just, it's not a look at all. Overall, I'm so impressed with this concealer. Like, for it to be £4 and be on the same level, if not maybe slightly better than the Tarte Shape Tape, is insane. Like, I know that Makeup Revolution is known for its dupe product, so I really wanted to try this out because I never really use drugstore makeup. I much prefer to use high-end, more like branded stuff, like Anastasia Beverly Hills, NARS, Morphe, you know, all of the makeup that sort of goes around YouTube. So for me, this was like, I'm thoroughly impressed. I kind of want to get a darker one to try and contour with, because I think that would be so, I think it would work, like I think it would look nice. So for me, I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. I'm so impressed. I think you should all go out and get your hands on one. It's only £4, so it's not even breaking the bank. Yeah, I have no words, this is great. I'm gonna be using this all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and it gave you a bit of an insight as to if this is worth the £4 or not. 95% say that I probably won't buy this again. And obviously with all the controversy that's been going around regarding the Shape Tape foundation shade range, I think that at this point in time, this is gonna be my go-to because of that. I really did enjoy this. I don't know, I'm not a massive fan, so this is, I just really enjoy this. So I'm gonna be using this, and you know, yes, it is smaller. Like with this one, you get 0.3381 fluid ounces, and this one you get 0.11 fluid ounces. But you know, in the grand scheme of things, this is 10 mil, this is 3.4, this is £4, and this is about 19 to 20. So, you know, you're getting your money's worth, even if you buy 3 of these. But yeah, I hope you liked this. Please give this video a huge thumbs up. It really supports my channel. And please hit the subscribe button, that would mean the world. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.